आपकी फेवरेट चीज क्या है खाने की?
रसम राइस.
रसम राइस.
Yeah.
गिव इट अप फॉर रसम राइस.
Don't make fun, Kartik.
हाँ अपने हाथों से खिलाता हूँ मैं.
I think people here want to know one thing about you that nobody knows. Like you drink rasam straight from the katori or something. Just like we need something.
I drink rasam like this.
Oh Lord.
See, that I love South Indian food and rasam rice. I'm sure everybody knows that.
जब भी मैं बैंगलोर जाती हूँ, I make it a point to go to her house because she makes the most amazing rasam.
Anything. Give me one dish.
Me, honestly, it's rasam and rice.
Rasam and rice is one.